Is this a typical day for you? Your toddler is whining and throwing tantrums. Your 8-year-old is talking back and full of attitude. Your teen won't do her homework or chores, and none of them ever seem to listen without you repeating yourself or resorting to yelling. After trying everything from asking your friends for advice to searching the internet for the holy grail of parenting, to listening to Hollywood celebrity advice, and even asking Great Aunt Betsy, nothing has changed. And now you're frustrated because you just don't know where to turn for help. Meet Amy McCready. She is a recovering yeller. She was in your exact situation a decade ago. After figuring out one night that the reason her throat hurt was because she was yelling at her 2 young boys so much, she decided she had to make a change. So she used her Fortune 500 training and development experience, along with study, training, and mentoring in Adlerian psychology and positive discipline, to develop a set of easy-to-implement tools to correct those misbehaviors that were driving her crazy. These toolbox solutions transformed her household and have done the same for thousands of parents worldwide through her online course, book, and TV appearances. The tools are delivered via her award-winning online course that is easy to use, easy to understand, and most importantly, gets results. In no time, you can have happier, well-behaved kids, and you'll be the happy, calm, and confident parent you always knew you could be. You'll be amazed at how fast your child's behavior improves and how much fun parenting can be. Shortly after starting the online course, you'll see the misbehaviors melt away. But when they do pop up from time to time, you'll have the right tool for every situation. You'll know what to say and what tool to use to stop misbehaviors in their tracks. Say goodbye to nagging, reminding, and yelling. Say hello to kids that listen, and the fun, happy home you always dreamed of. Let Positive Parenting Solutions teach you the tools so you never have to raise your voice again. You'll never look back.